Hello everyone, it is May 28th and I wanted to give you an update from the lilac cuttings I made a video on May 11th. It's been a couple weeks now and I wanted to tell you about some things that I noted. The shoots I took that had a thicker stem didn't end up making it, so if you haven't already started your cuttings, be sure to take shoots that have a long, skinny stem. So some of these are starting to get some roots, or are bubbling and showing that some roots are going to be coming through soon. So this one's starting to get some bubbles. Some roots should be showing the next few days. And this one has one root coming out. Another thing I noted is you want to keep these long shoots in a tall vase and make sure the water level stays high and covers at least a couple or so nodes. The nodes are going to be farther apart on these long stems, so make sure at least a couple are covered by the water. This one, I don't know if it's going to end up making it. It's got a little bit thicker stem, and you can see there are a couple of nodes being covered, but this is probably not the ideal stem for rooting. If there are any leaves that are touching or in the water, be sure to remove those so they're not making your water murky. This one looks like it's due for a water change. The root hormone, if you look more closely, kind of creates a gelatin substance on the stem. So I've had to remove some of the stems that didn't make it. Either they weren't in the water far enough because I kept them out. Should have used a smaller container on some of these little ones. Or this stem, which is too thick, has a couple of nodes on it, but I think the younger, newer shoots are better able to draw in the water up to the leaves to stay alive. It's good if you have the opportunity to take multiple shoots. In the comments, I'd be curious to know if you took multiple shoots, what percentage or how many of your shoots ended up making it. Thanks for watching.